And now look, today I'm gonna explain these codes for you, but first I want to talk about what's the main purpose of this code is. The main purpose of this code is create an empty list, which is the name of my list in this case, and going to take any input from users. In this case, the length of the input is 5, and then try to try to show how many prime number in this list. For this, we first describe what's the prime number for the code, and the prime number code is come from the previous homework, which is the if number less than 2, return false, because it cannot be prime number. Else if number equal 2, it's true. The minimum prime number is 2. Else if the other case, when the number divided by 2, which is the mean, it's not prime number, return false. The other case, while the number divided by 2 big or equal than I, if number remainder from I is equal to 0, return false. In other case, just update the I with I plus 2 and return true. In this case, how can we use this in the list? We first describe the scanner code, which is going to take any information from users and then create a list. In this case, the length of my list is just 5. And we say for integer I equal 0. And while my list length, the length of my list is bigger than I, we just add in every case 1 to I. System.println, please enter a value to add a list. And in this case, we add the object in the list. And then we say system.println, the array to string, it's come from the second import code and my list, and just close the input. And how can we describe the prime numbers come from there? We just describe number, counter, and integer a, which is the variable we use and try to calculate prime number, while we say the length of my list bigger than number, which is in this case is equal 0. The a, which is the variable, is equal to my list num. If is prime, if it's true, just say counter plus 1. We update the counter. The result of counter, actually the number of how many prime in my list. For this, I want to show this for you. I'll just say 2, 5, this 2 is prime, 9 is not prime, 8 is 9 prime, and 7 is prime. You just say 3, and you say 2, 5, and 7 is prime. The total prime numbers is 3.